Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about a very common requirement which normally users uh, have, and they that is the pain area which the users struggle in getting the data, right? So this is basically a sample data which where I have the procurement purchase order numbers and the quantity against that purchase orders, right? So a few of them, right, have the repetition of numbers. For example, if you see over here 204 0000 104 is being repeated on multiple rows. So how to get the unique values? Uh, it can be over here or it can be in a pivot table. So I will be sharing the simple technique how to get the unique values in a pivot table, right? So first of all, I will be selecting this because I would need the unique purchase order number. So I'll go to insert and click on the pivot table. Right over here, Uh, normally, people just skip that because it is, you already have selected the source data. The pivot table should be created in a new worksheet, and things go on. But what we need to do over here is use this option. So this option is will give you some additional features for your pivot table, right? So let's click on that and click OK. So it will automatically create an area where you can draw your pivot calculations and your desired results, right? So it will create a new sheet with the name sheet 2, and it will give you the area of the pivot, and you can manually manage your data, right? So suppose you have over here the purchase order numbers which we already have seen in the sheet 1. These were two columns, right? So if I click on this, right, and it will show you the numbers um, which are uh, which were available in the sheet 1, right? And I place this over here because I need that count, right? So if you can see this, so this purchase order number has been repeated 44 times. This number has been repeated 32 times, and so on, right? So what you need to do is just go over here, open this, and click on uh, value field setting, and just scroll down and you'll see an additional field that is distinct count, that is for when you need to have the unique count for a certain data, right? So if I click on that, it will automatically convert itself into the unique values, right? So the other thing which you can do is, let's suppose you don't want to use over here. So these are the unique purchase orders which you need to uh, like this. These are the unique purchase order numbers which you can use for your data analysis, right? So if I change this from a distinct, right, the number is 5302. If I change it and change it to the normal count, see the number, it gives you 16,853. So this is the quick way to get your unique numbers. So thank you very much, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you very much.